Hey guys, Mike Hilston here from the Chatbot Agency. How are you going? Guys, this quick presentation, we're going to run you through a very simple ad to chatbot for real estate agents, where this is a real basic one. So this one here is purely to promote the agent more than a property, effectively to start building up their leads and at some stage use a strategy to actually give stuff away instead of asking for it. Okay, so let's just pop in here first. This is what the ad will ultimately look like. Similar to this, we can change the market report, all that jazz. But here's the ad. It's just providing some details of what's been happening in our local suburb and all that kind of stuff. And Jesse James is the ultimate lead agent for that area. So let's click on Learn More. See, press Learn More for free report. We've now popped this up. I'll bring this up in the big messenger. Okay. Hi Mike, we've prepared a market report for you to download on where the market is sitting. Please select what best suits your current situation. So we'll go through and we'll say owner. So I'm now the homeowner. Alright, and here we've got Jessie. She now knows that I'm a homeowner. That's all great. I'll click on the market report because that's what we came in for. Mike, thanks for subscribing. Okay, it's a nice easy way of doing it. We'll download that report. On a mobile, that'll go straight into your screen, and we'll just open this little fella up here right now. Okie dokie. Right, so there we go. Nice, easy market wrap. We get these professionally done by real estate bots. These guys, they actually really know what they're doing. So we'll go back into Messenger right now. I'll say, right, okay, well, I better give my requirements because I want to get my own custom report. Okay, I need to get a few details. Now, this is the simple version, guys, so we're basically going to be asking, the questions rather than doing custom funnels for, a homeowner or a buyer or whatever. You want that kind of stuff, you're just going to have to go for the big funnel. All right, this is a small one. Very effective, still does the job. Could be enough for a lot of agents because at the moment they really haven't got too much going on out there, and the more real estate ads that I click on, I tell you what, it is disgraceful. Yeah, look, you're just missing out on a whole lot, guys. Give me a call if you really want to find out how you are missing out on everything, if you're willing to listen. We'll call this in Chatbot Town. Okay. Now, all we're doing here, guys, is just effectively filling in a form. All right? Those details, I want to sell, we'll fire that through. Keeping it real simple, this will go as an email to the agent or their VA, and they can follow up at that point there. So let's just say thank you. All things great. Everyone says thank you, and then we'll come along and yeah, no, we appreciate all that jazz. So that's all cool. Now, what I can do here with Jessie is I can actually book a call with Jessie, even though it's going to my calendar. Okay, any calendar that's, if you've got a calendar that's online, we can incorporate that in with these web views. Okay, so we're not taking the punter out of Facebook or Messenger or out of your conversation, most importantly. And within here on that calendar, you can obviously set the appointments up there. We'll go through. There's a few more we want to check out here. Like let's go back to the contact details. Share on Facebook. That's all great. Let's give the agent a little bit love. And lastly, I want to show you the listings page. Great little messenger funnel for real estate agents that will not cost a bomb, because at the end of the day, real estate agents don't like spending money on themselves. You know, let's be reasonable. If anyone else is paying for it, no worries. Okay, so we'll share that. And we'll basically pop back into Messenger. Right, also, we've got my listings. Now, we could build this chatbot and set up an account for the agent, and the agent could manage all this themselves. Okay, so if they don't want to pay anybody to do all of this, they can do this themselves. All right, we've got the technology. We can teach you. We could have you up and running in a morning. Okay, just be prepared to get the job done. We're pricing these at ridiculous low prices, so if you follow the process, we can get these into place. Okay, guys? The other beauty about these web views is we're able to also add the pixel. Okay? The other beauty is if you're a loan agent, okay, then you don't need a website. I'll repeat that. For us to do this for you, you do not need a website. Okay? However, they can come from you, they can find you in Google from here as well, because we've got SEO support, so you're not going to miss out on that either. So let's go through and we'll check out the first property. That's going to scroll through automatically. That's all based on time. There we go. Okay, a little bit. Right, there's a click to call. It's up to you what you want as your call to action. That could be click to email. It could be open up Messenger. Click to go to an appointment, you know, another calendar or something like that. We've got the map in here. Okay, you put the full details of the property in here. And later on, guys, you are going to be Facebook covered. I mean, further down the track, you probably won't need to use realestate.com and stuff like that. All right? So that's got all your listings, and then obviously you can whack in a little contact thingo and ask for all your stuff. Now, the way I've got this demo set up is they could fill the form in, they send it, there's an auto response that's automatically sent to the person that's got in touch, so that's covered for you. You receive the inquiry inbound in email. So guys, this is as automated as possible for real estate agents. I tell you, this one is the Dux. All right. So other than that, of course, there's live chat. If I really want to have a chat with an agent straight away, and I could say, Jesse, call me ASAP, because the smoke alarm is firing off at 123 Smith Street that you have on the market. Okay, be nice. And then I can always type agent in to go back out of the chatbot, and that'll probably take me into the contacts. So guys, that's a real simple agent chatbot. It's not, let's say, marketing property to some degree. However, we can add those types of funnels into it and also make them campaign specific through real estate bots. So if you're serious about using Facebook to market yourself, this is really the first step to take. Okay, instead of giving people running ads for your vendors and actually sending them nowhere, I can give you a stat that you probably won't be astonished, because if I've ever clicked on one of your ads and gone into Messenger and typed something, you have never ever got back to me. Okay, this is one way to engage with them and get those people in and actually get to find out what they want. All right, so that's it from me, Mike Hilston from the Chatbot Agency. I'm here to help agents, and I really, if you're open-minded and you want to be helped, we can help you. No matter what country you're in, Australia, US, wherever, we can help you. Okay, that's it. We're signing out. Have a great day, and let's chat soon. Cheers. Bye now.